This for a 2022 to 2025 Acura MDX. Changing the battery on it. You have a lock button here. Press in on it. Pull up on the key. Key pops up. Flip over the remote. This slot here is where you want to introduce this key, and just wiggle it. Pops the thing open. Pull it out, and now the battery, the way you remove it, has these clips that retain it. You don't want to just pry up on it. What you want to do is you want to push in this way, and it pops out just like that. And then grab your new battery. They come in these little encapsulated plastics. Pull it out, put the battery in, stick it into this bracket first, push it all the way inside and then down. And that's pretty much, you see it's now secure. Wiggle it a little bit and replace the cover on it. Place the cover on, line it up, make sure it snaps into place. Grab your key again, slide the key back in, press up, it's locked, and that's how you replace the battery.